Hi everyone, today we've got a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard in. It's got backlighting, red keys, and as I said, it's a 60% keyboard. We're going to see if it's obviously worth the money. Obviously, value stuff is not always that good, but sometimes you can be actually quite surprised. First off, the box comes with a two-tone black and grey checkered pattern with a glossy image of the keyboard itself. It's a pretty informative package with details about the keyboard's features like its 60% size, mechanical nature, rainbow LED backlighting and red switches. The side of the box has sort of a black and red checkered theme. On the back we find another image of the keyboard with some specifications and features, however the text is quite small, making it a little hard to read. Inside the box we find the keyboard snugly fitted in a foam pouch with polystyrene end protectors. There is a 1.6 meter braided USB-A to USB Type-C cable, a MARVO sticker and a user manual. Flipping the keyboard over, we see 4 non-slip feet that seem to do their job well. However, there is no option for height adjustment, so you won't be able to tilt the keyboard, unfortunately. The sides and the back of the keyboard support a stylish red trim with the USB Type-C connector slap bang in the middle of the back of the keyboard. The front of the keyboard is slightly angled and shows the MARVO logo in the centre. The keycaps are double shot, which allows backlighting to shine through the letters and numbers. They are removable, but unfortunately a keycap remover isn't included. Larger keys like the spacebar are supported by stabilizers. For adjusting the brightness or turning off the lighting effects, simply hold down the function key on the keyboard and tap M. This will allow you to select 4 different brightness levels as well as turning the brightness or the lights off totally. You can change the RGB effect by pressing down the function plus the right Alt key, that's the one that says Alt GR on it. And you can also adjust the speed of the effects by pressing function and the comma key. However, the colour scheme is static. You can't change individual keys or set the whole keyboard to a single colour. The far left starts with a red, transitioning through orange, green, blue and ending up in purple on the far right. This keyboard also supports end rollover. In our testing we found we could press 10 buttons simultaneously without any issues. You could potentially press more buttons than 10, but I don't know anyone who has more than 10 fingers, so makes it a little bit irrelevant. This makes it ideal for games that require multiple key presses at once. Okay, so we're going to do a sound test of this keyboard first. My voice is going to sound a little different because the microphone is all the way over here. It's exactly 20 centimeters away from the top row of keys on the keyboard, which is the function keys. Now obviously this is a mechanical keyboard. It will sound different than a traditional non-mechanical, usually membrane or scissor switch keyboard. For example, this is a traditional keyboard. This is what this sounds like. Just to give you an example. And then mechanical keyboards are generally a lot louder. Sounds a lot like an old traditional typewriter or a keyboard from the 80s and 90s, but this will give you a rough idea. So QWERTY first. Then the spacebar. The enter key, the right shift, the left shift, left control, and then a sentence. So there you have it folks, the MARVO Scorpion KG962, a colourful, compact mechanical keyboard with some serious gaming potential for a new gamer or someone on a budget. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.